I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me.
Hello everyone! You know what? Our oven got broken just before the weekend. But as we still are feeling hungry, and as I don't like to stay at the cooker, I had to make no oven, no cooker plan B. No, not takeaway. It's perfect timing for refreshing food. Luckily it's almost summer here. Oops, that is wrong footage. Better. It's almost summer here, so in this video I will show you a super tasty no-meat dinner idea for those hot summer days or when the oven is broken. But first of all, I'll take you to the grocery shopping. I thought I never showed you the shop here in Luxembourg because I'm not very confident to film in public places. But here we go. It's the biggest grocery shop in our town. Smatch and Smatch is a Luxembourgish chain. You can't see those shops outside the country. I'm usually tending to shop loose things as much as I can, but even so, we are producing so much unnecessary rubbish. As we have a very small fridge and limited pantry space, I'm coming here usually twice a week. For today I need some healthy options. Or not so healthy for my sweet tooth. Luxembourgish market and the food industry are very thin, hence products here are heavily globalized and mainly are coming from Germany, Belgium and France. Therefore, it is always nice to find a local production which is labeled with the Luxembourgish flag. I'm looking for goat cheese. I noticed that there are so many empty gaps on shelves lately. So here we go, 2 bags, 122 euros. Not too bad today. Usually we are spending around 180 euros on groceries, and this is twice a week. All over it got crazy pricey. I have to wash the car, but not today. And I'm looking a little bit like a smith in it. Whatever. Today I will be preparing some kind of sandwich out of the watermelon, goat cheese, fennel and green apple. Inspirations I'm getting from the Pinterest mostly. I have pinned a bunch of delicious recipes, and if you are interested what I'm cooking, feel free to check it out. I have to say I'm not a recipe creator, but I'm pretty good at executing and modifying them. Everyone has to do what they know the best. This particular recipe is inspired by The Hungry Cook. I add some adjustments, but I will link original recipe in the description box for exact measurements and the method. Note to myself, always choose correct size dishes. From my side, I added also about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to soften the goat cheese and to glue all the ingredients better. Did it ever happen to you that your oven or cooker got broken? Did you try alternative cooking or better opt for takeaway? It's a real summer food. Watermelon perfectly combines together with the cheese and the taste of mint, and it's both refreshing and filling. So easily can double as summer dinner. Side note, watermelon is slippery, so it's good to have it sliced like 10 minutes in advance so it loses that dripping. I'm owning this adjustable mandolin for good 10 years. It's still razor sharp. You want the fennel and apple slices be thin possible. Original recipe says to top it with toasted and ground fennel seeds, but I mixed it into the goat cheese and let few pinches for topping, and they are adding very pleasant crunch crunch.
I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see your
It's absolutely delicious, and we are going to treat us this summer, not once. I hope your mouth is watering and you spent a few pleasant minutes with me. Now off we go on holidays in Sweden, and I will definitely bring some good recipe from there too.
yeah, will love you for it all.
And those we were eating on the other days. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go and click on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one.
It is hard
Eddie.
to